we have this first teachers meeting held here in the compound of Southern Mindanao Mission Headquarters, and then participated by our beloved teachers, led by our education director coming from Southeastern Philippine Union Mission in the person of Dr. Perlen P. Panis.
Ini nga school year, nagsugod na usab kita sa atong buluhaton sa pag-engage sa education ministry o atong gipanghinaot ni pinaagis mga panalangin sa Ginoo, mahimong mabulokon, malampuson o magungahon gayud ang atong pagministeryo sa mga kabataan nga ing gipiyal kanato.
To all of you, thank you so much for your prayers and directors. I'm glad that we will continue to support our parents also, continue to support Christian education. The Lord will bless you.